While Tesla talks about Optimus, Hyundai just quietly dropped a production-ready robot that's hitting stores in 6 months. And it might be the smartest robot strategy we've seen yet. On December 3rd, 2025, at the International Robot Exhibition in Tokyo, Hyundai unveiled MyRobot, Mobile Eccentric Droid, their first mass-produced autonomous mobility robot. And the word eccentric isn't just marketing. It's the secret weapon. Here's what makes MyRobot different. Most robots are designed for specific environments. Factory robots work on factory floors. Delivery robots work on sidewalks. You need different robots for different places. Hyundai said no. MyRobot uses something called eccentric posture control with drive and lift modules. This lets one robot adapt to any terrain. Stairs? No problem. Rough outdoor ground? Easy. Smooth indoor floors? Done. It's like having 5 robots in one. The tech stack is impressive. AI-powered autonomous navigation, LiDAR and camera fusion sensors working together. A touchscreen controller with 3D UI/UX that anyone can operate. Self-mapping, self-charging, and predictive navigation algorithms that work in both crowded spaces and tight corridors. MyRobot comes in 2 versions. MyRobot Pro for industrial applications. MyRobot Basic for everyday use. Both go on sale in the first half of 2026. Applications include delivery, loading, and unloading in warehouses, golf course operations, broadcasting as a camera platform, research labs, and logistics. Here's the timeline. Hyundai showed MyRobot as a concept at CES 2022. 3 years of development. Now it's production ready and shipping in 6 months. Compare that to Tesla. Optimus was announced in 2021. Still no production timeline. Still no price. Still testing. Hyundai Vice President Dong Jin-hyun said, MyRobot will set new standards in the global robotics market and accelerate a future where humans and robots coexist. Why does this matter? Because while tech companies are building humanoids that walk, a car company just built a robot that works. Hyundai knows manufacturing. They know supply chains. They know how to ship millions of products, and they're applying that expertise to robotics. The debate, can traditional manufacturers beat tech startups in robotics? Hyundai just made a strong case. For more robot news and product reviews, visit MyRobot.shop.